Hello everyone, myself Vasudev Pareek. Welcome our YouTube channel AC&RI Curriculum. This video created with the help of my colleagues N.Priyadharshini and Gowtham. Today my topic is farm mechanization. Let's we start our video. What is farm mechanization? Farm mechanization is the process of developing agricultural machines and substituting these machines' power for human and animal power in agricultural production practices is farm mechanization. Mainly, farm mechanization means development of machines that can do work in absence of humans. That means we don't require human power or animal powers in our farms. Scope of farm mechanization. What is scope in future of farm mechanization? Why we force on farm mechanizations? Use of cultivable wastelands. Sometimes mostly in our India wastelands are more in area that are not cultivable with the help of animal or human power. So in this case we need farm or machinery like tractors or big machines to cultivate that wastelands. And labor problems in village areas, the labors are not in optimum quantity, so we need farm machines. Weed eradication. Manually weed eradication is very costly and time consuming, so for fast and to prevent yield loss we need farm machines to help in weed eradication. Productivity enhancement also a major concern by the help of farm machines. And overcome of water problems. So these are the some pictures of farm machineries they use for several purpose. Need of farm mechanization. Why we need our farm as mechanized means why we want machines more in our farm compared to labor or animal power to increase the production and productivity of food grain. Sometimes when we use manual power, so it takes more time consuming process. Animal power also time consuming process. So in that time period our yield is decreased. Efficient utilization of inputs, fertilizer, waters and other natural resources. Yes, this is true because when we put fertilizer manually, so there is no optimum level in the sowing or providing nutrient to plants, but by with the help of machines we can easily can recognize what optimum needs of the plants and how much we have to put inside the soil for timely operation of agriculture activities like intercultivation. Some practices are done with the help of machines only, not by animal powers. So this is a graph in between the year 1951 to 2011. In this, the red line shows the productivity and the blue line show the farm power. As we increase the farm power, the productivity also increases with the farm power. So this show a positive correlation with the farm power availability. So this is a linear relationship, means if we increase farm power then we increase the productivity also. So benefits of farm mechanization. It's make lesser time, means it decrease the duration of times. Reductions of loss of crop or food products, yes we discussed earlier also. Increase income return to farmer, yes it is true. Reduction of drudgery of labors, enhancement of safety. So this picture shows the tillage operation worked by tractor. Constraint of farm mechanization means in what stage the farm mechanization is not applicable. In small land holding farmers, they don't everyone don't adopt farm mechanization because they somewhat economically and costly also. Lack of suitable farm machineries. Yes, in village area or some remote areas, the farm machineries are not available very easily. So they don't adopt to farm mechanization system very easily. Lack of trained manpower, yes, this one also one of the reason. Lack of repair and servicing facilities, less investing capacity of the farmings. Yes, small or poor farmers, they don't invest too much on the farm mechanization. So this is a ecosystem for farm mechanization they need. Yes, government employ some schemes for promoting the farm mechanization, like training programs and demonstration of new developing equipments in the rural areas. Post harvest technology and management schemes and some implements they show or demonstrate in rural areas, so the farmers can adopt machineries. Promotion and strengthening of agriculture mechanization through training, testing and demonstration methods. These are the some institutions which are located in several states of India. So the first one is Central Farm Machinery Training and Testing Institute, which is located at Madhya Pradesh. The second one is Northern Region Farm Machinery Training and Testing Institute, Haryana. Southern Region Farm Machinery Testing and Training Institute at Andhra Pradesh. And the fourth one is Northeastern Region Farm Machinery Training and Testing Institute at Assam. So in these four mostly means every part of the India is covered: central, northern, southern, and northeastern. So this is the way forward for India, means how we can develop our agriculture. So first step we have to identify which technology is our requirement and who is the source who provides that technology and equipment to farmers. And the second is adaptation, domestically or globally. Domestically means at the level of rural area, and globally means at all over state or everyone have to follow. And evaluate adaptation means we have to with the time we have to evaluate our adaptation, means if we adapt something now, then we have to change in that adaptation, so it will be helpful in future also. And the third is validate. Performance validation means up to what time it perform very well, and what is the lifespan of that machineries. So these are the some questions. Let's we see one by one. So the efficient machineries help to increase the productivity of 30%. Means if we use a machinery in our farm, then our productivity is increased by 30%. And the second question is MMA, means it stands for macro management of agriculture. Macro means wide range of agriculture we can handle with the help of farm mechanization. Average farm power availability is 1.7 kilowatt per hectare. This is optimum, so everyone can afford it. The increase in share of farm power mainly through introduction of tractor, whose contribution has increased from, means mainly farm mechanization means mostly tractors are adopted by the farmers, so their share also increased from 7.5 to 51%. Farm mechanization help to increase the gross income to farmer of 30 to 50%. Yes, their yield also increase and their income also increase. So sixth question is percentage of female working in agriculture field is 55%. Yes, mostly the agriculture work is performed by females only. So 60% also correct only. Which scheme 30% of fund allocate for women's farmers? So answer is gender friendly equipment for women. So in this scheme they provide the funds to females and the other organizations, so they can prepare their own equipments which are not harmful and not and easily operate. NERF MTTI means Northern Eastern Region Farm Machinery and Training and Testing Institute, which is located at Assam. Agro Industries Corporation initiated in 1964. This institute, this corporation are initiated because this is a interaction between agriculture and industries. What farmers needs, they provide that. CFMTTI located at Madhya Pradesh. So these are some short answers. What is farm mechanization as early we see? Give some examples of farm machineries. Means farm mechanization, mainly farm machineries are included. So paddy transplanter, tractors, harrows, harvester, rotavator. What are the problems related to farm mechanization? Small land holdings, yes, because it is not economically for that farmers. Lack of trained manpower, lack of repair and service facility. Yes, in rural areas this is a major concern because service facilities and repairing facilities not available for every machine parts. What are the advantages of farm mechanization? Increased production and productivity is the major concern because this is the most and major advantage for farm mechanization adaptation, and this increase the income return to farmer. Also yield reduction, or we can say yield loss is reduced, and it save the time of farmer. So thank you, keep watch our YouTube channel.